National Weather Service has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Northwestern Butler County, Southeastern Marion County, until 3 p.m. At 2:08 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located 6 miles southwest of Whitewater, moving northeast at 40 miles per hour. You can expect 60-mile-per-hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. The warning was based on radar indications. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Peabody, Benton, Whitewater, Florence, Potwin, Elbing, and Burns.